Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kakan hod menteri jong sarkar jala kal ajing menjur bandan ga village council ha kishnong kat kumbala pruit dak ha jing terwa ban pen kalai kernet ban reu lane ke 6th schedule. Habethu ikani hadin balawai ga jialang jo kakan hod menteri ga singi tho ding menteri rangba konrad ke sangma la ong bagi atli ki mat ki balaya tai habede ba ga jing pen kalai ga kernet ban reu ki kan thop ek jing pun bon chu chu ek dikhat abro lightly autonomous district council but kawai pat kalong halor ke jing thau ek village council la kishnong ulong ba ke jing don ki dikhat Khasi hills autonomous district council but Garo hills autonomous district council kamdei ban Palat ek sau phongot but Jaiñtia hills autonomous district council umdei ban Palat ek lai phu arngot Menteri rangba oleh itu bakan hon menteri kala menjur ru ke jing ajing mod bandan ke village council la kishnong agaba ki rangba shnong ni sordar ni nokma ki nei ki chairman long managaliang ke sarkar jilla kan sapa ke jing terwa habai dei bat kini ki rai sha ke sarkar pedeng ha Delhi agini ki niat singi bat unsai kran ru yu menteri korbari Amit Shah andalai kendu yu banya kran biang habai dei ba ke jing penbet pur bat ke Assam Abaide ba kajing penbet put ukonrad ulai thu ba mu ba binti rangba ka Assam kini kandu biang ha si sajan ka arp khandai trek Kuala Lingkot akapor South Steng Janmiet ha Guwahati.
We had a cabinet meeting for the amendment of the 6th schedule and the proposals that have to be sent from the government of Meghalaya. So as you're aware that most of the areas have been sorted out and the issues have been resolved. The last few pending issues were regarding the number of seats in the councils and regarding the formation of the village councils. In the number of seats, the proposal that the government of Meghalaya has given is that Khasi Hills and Garo Hills shall have not more than 40 members, out of which not more than 4 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. And for Jaiñtia Hills will have not more than 32 members, out of which not more than 2 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. Then in terms of the village council, the members, the cabinet has proposed that we should, that the village councils will be elected, but the chairman will be an ex officio, will be the Rangbashnong, the Sordar or the Nokma will be the de facto chairman of the village council, and the secretary will be elected, and as per the different provisions, the other members also will be elected, but the chairman of every village council will by de facto be the Rangbashnong or the Sordar or the Nokma as per the or the head/headman. So these are the 2 recommendations which were the last few pending issues that were left. We have proposed it, and this has been done, of course, after thorough consultation and a discussion with all different stakeholders, including the district councils themselves. And these suggestions have come from the district councils, and accordingly the state government has proposed this to the Government of India, and these proposals will go in the next few days, and I will also be discussing this once I go to Delhi for discussion on the border issue. Apart from that, we'll also discuss, as I said, we have updated the cabinet on the border issue itself, and we will be meeting the Assam Chief Minister tomorrow evening at about 4:35 o'clock in Guwahati, and we're hopeful that once that meeting is over, we should be able to come to a final conclusion on this first 6 locations that we are trying to resolve. Yeah, so if you can go through the language that I've proposed, I've mentioned to you, it says shall not have more than 40. So if you want to have 36, 35, 32, that's up to Garo Hills and Khasi Hills, how many that will be there. Of course, there will be a process for doing that, but point is that it will not be more than 40.
So what about the issue of unrepresented tribes? Has
so
this
those
been
aspects,
resolved?
Absolutely. Those we have already discussed with the Government of India and MHA also, and that particular clause will not be there.